Hi, today I'm going to show you how to build out a product catalog, search results and detail pages with PayPal Add to Cart buttons to offer a full checkout experience for your customers. I will also show you how to build the back-end product management pages, search results and details so that an admin can search for a product, an update page so that they can update the products in their store, and an insert page so that they can add new products to their store. There are a few things you need to do before starting on this tutorial. You need to have a dynamic site set up within Dreamweaver. If you're unfamiliar with that process, we have a tutorial that can help you. Please visit www.webassist.com/support to find all of our tutorials and resources. You will also need to be running Dreamweaver CS4 later. You will need both of our extensions, FreeTools and DataBridge, installed and activated in Dreamweaver. Also make sure that you have a blank database set up and that your site is connected to it in Dreamweaver. Make sure when you set up your database connection in Dreamweaver that you test it to be sure your site is actually connected to your database. You will also need to download a couple new presets for DataBridge. We offer these to you for free from our written tutorial. I will have a link in the YouTube video description so you can come and download the presets. Once you've completed all of these things, we can get started. Let's open Dreamweaver. First, we will import the presets that we downloaded from the written tutorial. Click on WebAssist, Preset Manager, select DataBridge preset from the Products Select list, click Import, find the location where you downloaded the presets to, click on the Admin preset, it should be a zip file, and click Open. You can see it was imported. Now we'll import the Catalog preset. And you can see the Product Catalog preset was imported as well. You can click Done. Now before we get started, make sure you have a file open and saved in the root of your new site. Click on WebAssist, Database, Data Assist Pages. Our database connection is correctly selected. From the application type, we're going to choose Tutorial Product Administration. The preset checks the box to create the database table for me. That is what we want so that the PayPal Add to Cart buttons will work with these pages. It'll set us up a table called Products, and Product ID will be the key column. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to leave our presets unstyled. The benefit to an unstyled preset is that you can apply your own style sheet. From here, head over to the Manage Pages tab, and you can see here that we're building a search, results, and detail page. This will allow the admin to search for a product, show a list of results, and then drill down into the details. It will allow them to insert a new product, there's the insert page, and update any existing products, there's the update page. You can also see that DataBridge is putting these all in an admin folder, which is a great way to organize your site. From here, you can click Finish. Because this is the default preset and we haven't made changes, we can go ahead and click OK and not bother to save this as a new preset. And DataBridge built out all of my admin pages. Next, I want to build out the front end pages, the catalog pages. Because we want to build these in the root of our site, not in the admin folder, go over and click in the file that we originally created that was in the root of our site. Now click on WebAssist, Database, Data Assist Pages, and again, our connection is correct. This time we can pick the application type, Tutorial Product Catalog. This time DataBridge knows not to create a new database table, that we're using our products table in our database, and the key column is Product ID. Again, we will leave the design preset unstyled. If you go over to Manage Pages, you can see we are building a search, results, and detail page, and that these are in the root of the site. From here, we can click Finish. And again, we don't need to save the preset, just click OK. You can see that product results, product search, and products detail were built out by the DataBridge wizard. Now we slightly need to edit the record set that is on the detail page before we add the Add to Cart button. So head over to your Bindings floater. If it's not open, then you can select Window Bindings from the Dreamweaver menu. Double-click the record set. Switch over to Simple Mode if you're not in Simple Mode right now, and click All Columns. Click OK. Now click on your Add to Cart button, go up to the WebAssist menu and click PayPal Standard. We're going to add the PayPal Add to Cart button now. Click Add to Cart button. Go ahead and enter your PayPal account. Click Next. You can select from the buttons that PayPal offers, or you can use a custom button. Click Next. Now here we want our product pages to be database driven. So we are going to add bindings to our page so that we can make this happen. For the product name, click the lightning bolt next to it. Expand record set if it's not already expanded, and click on product name. Click OK. For item ID, we're going to select the product ID binding. Click OK. Same thing for price. Click product price and click OK. You can choose whether you want the quantity field to display on your page. And then item options allow you to add colors or sizes with a select list for people to choose from before they add the product to their cart. So for item options, we're going to select product option and click OK. And for item option values, we're going to select product option values and click OK. Now you can click Next. We'll skip the shipping and handling charges in this UI for now. The success URL is where PayPal will send people after they're done transacting. The cancel URL is where PayPal will send your visitors back to if their transaction is canceled or fails. These should be pages in your site that you develop with specific content. Once you've entered the full URL to those pages, click Finish. And you'll see that we now have a select list and an Add to Cart button on the page. We need to repeat the same steps for the product results page, as DataBridge does put an Add to Cart button on that page as well. So open Products Results, go over to your record set, double click it, and we're going to select all columns again. Click OK. Click on your Add to Cart button, go up to the WebAssist menu, click PayPal Standard, Add to Cart button, and we're going to follow the same steps. Select our Add to Cart button, set up our bindings, and click Next. Skip the shipping again and enter our URLs. And click Finish. And once again, you can see that our select list and Add to Cart buttons were added to the page. Next, be sure to save all of your pages. Now, we won't be able to actually test that these work unless we put some products in our database. So if you go over to the Admin Insert page and preview that in a browser, we can now enter a product into our database. I will just put in some dummy information. I'll select my file. You can choose whether your products are live and unlimited and all kinds of information from this page. For product option, I'm going to sell the shirt in 3 different colors, so I will put colors as the title for my product options. Now for the option values, you want these to be comma separated. That is how the page will understand that these should be separate options in the select list for your users to choose from. So I'm going to sell the shirt in red, white, and blue. I'll click Insert. And here's my product detail page. You can see it picked up all the information I entered. We can also go over to my database, and the products table has been created. We can browse this table. And here you can see everything was also entered into my database. Scroll over and see my product options. Now let's go search for this product on the front end like a user would. I'll open my product search page. And again, we chose an unstyled preset, so this page is not looking great right now, could really use some love, but you can apply your template or your include or however you choose to style your pages. Or of course you could have picked a preset in the DataBridge wizard if you wanted these to come out already styled. So I am going to search for t-shirt. Click on search. And you can see my results loaded at the bottom of the page. You can see that I could select red, white, or blue t-shirt and add that to the cart. I could also drill down to the detail page from here. And on our detail page, you can also see I could select red, white, or blue and add my product to the cart. My PayPal account is picked up. This is who your users will be paying. And I added a t-shirt that was blue to the cart for $20. The customer can now check out with PayPal securely. This completes this tutorial. Remember, today we built an admin backend to manage products, front-end catalog pages, added PayPal buttons. This essentially builds out all the pages your customers would need to buy from you and pages that you can manage those products with. If you need any technical support or would like further information on our products, please visit us at www.webassist.com.